I hope you're having an amazing day. Wow, putting this all together now is going to seem crazy. I can't believe that I'm going to shut my phone off this time because this phone goes off all the time. Alright. Done. Alright. Oh, first of all, I want to thank you for watching this series. It has been so great to be able to get a lot of this information out. This is some of the questions that I get all the time. It's like, what do I pack? What do I wear? What do I do? So with all the options that I provided, I hope you can figure out what works best and how you put it together. But some people say, well, okay, those are great options, but how do you minimize? How do you put it into a smaller context? Like, what actually would you pack? So first of all, what I've thought about now, after I've really considered all of the stuff that I like to pack, for formal night, we'll start there. I really am probably just going to bring this one dress. I don't care if there's 1 formal night, 5 formal nights, 2 formal nights, 20 formal nights. I think this is the dress I would just wear. I just don't wear it that long to actually justify bringing a whole nother outfit for it. I don't know, maybe just change the jewelry or something. I just don't feel like I need to change anything else. Like, I just don't. So this is it. I'm not going to bring another outfit. This is going to be formal night outfit from now on. I'm not bringing anything else. And I have some cute stuff. But this is the one that rolls up super small, doesn't wrinkle, and makes me feel comfortable in it. So if you see me a couple times in it during a cruise, you know why. You know why. There it is. I told you. That's it. Not playing that game no more. I wish I could find another one of these because, boy, I would actually, like, get it because eventually this is going to wear out, right? All right. So the next thing I kind of think of is how can I kind of make a sea day outfit and a port day outfit kind of work out. And typically what I do in the morning is get up and, well, of course, get up and walk around the top of the ship. So I usually bring maybe like a dry fit shirt and maybe some legging shorts or something like that. So, and this is what I'm talking about. So this. So I have an excursion that calls for something like this. Then I can typically probably bring a couple of these shorts rather than just one. But I'll probably just bring one shirt. I don't really sweat. So I know I could wear that shirt multiple times and it wouldn't be a big deal. I just don't think, I can't. But in the end, I will probably bring one, and this is inside out, of course. I will probably bring one additional t-shirt. I just don't wear a lot of t-shirts. I have maybe 3 or 4 that I wear. I have another one like this in white that I like, and but that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get some like one-time basic type things out of the way. 1 pair of jeans. So I typically may wear them to dinner on non-formal nights. I'll wear jeans, and then I have 2 tank tops. Usually it's a white and a black or a gray and a black or something, but it's black and something. So I'm going to bring 1 little dress, 1 maxi dress, and both of these can be used as cover-ups, and then 1 more cover-up. And I think dresses are really great because you don't have like that 2-piece item like a shorts and a t-shirt or shorts and a blouse and or pants and a blouse and stuff. So they're kind of great, you know, just because you have 1 item. So, and a pair of black shorts, pair of denim shorts, then I'll typically bring 3 blouses and I'll just mix and match them. So this little blouse right here is really easy. It's very light, very thin. Comes with an extra tank underneath in case something happens. I can always just use that. Then I have this little blouse. And one more. And what I do typically with these is I'm able to use these for dinner. So I'll use them for dinner, and maybe the next day I'll use them for maybe C-Day brunch, or maybe to go watch some shows, or something like that. I can use those. So that's what I like having the shirts, because I can pair them with my dress shorts or my denim jeans for non-formal night. So that's why I like having those. Alright, then I'm going to bring this tank pajama. And I'm notorious for wearing like my tank tops also to bed, so one pair of longer leggings for walking in the morning in case I'm cold. Underwear and bras. Then I'm going to bring my swim shirt, my swim shorts, bathing suit, and one more bathing suit. So this is kind of how it stacks up. You got flip-flops, sandals, tennis shoes, and then the bag with all that stuff in it that I showed you back a couple days ago. And then here's my hair stuff, and then these items right here. Now typically, I also include 3 pairs of socks, and I thought I brought them out here, but apparently I missed that. But those aren't that bad. You can shove them inside your shoes or whatever. Not a big deal. Okay, so you're probably wondering where all that tech gear was and all of that stuff. So, obviously, I put it in my backpack. And so, I have a sling backpack. So, it goes over kind of like a crossbody. This. And I love this. It actually doesn't pull on my shoulders or anything. It just feels a lot more comfortable. And so, I've been using this for, I can't remember how long now. But it works out really well. So it has, and I've shown this in another video, I don't know which one, but it has like 3 little pockets, and then a little tiny slide one here, which I've thrown like pens and stuff in. It also has a safety one in the back, like which is where I usually will throw my wallet. Oop, found a quarter. And it's a pretty deep pocket. It goes all the way down in the back, so you can put a good amount of stuff in there. But I typically will put more of my security stuff inside there. I have all my tech gear stuff, so this will go in there. All my kind of cruise stuff, my charging cables, not my wallet, but my camera, or more than one camera, and then my medicine bag. That typically will go inside this backpack. This is the most important stuff that you want to have in here. Now, some people have a bigger backpack that maybe they'll want to have some of their stuff available right to them on C-Day, maybe like their bathing suit or change of something, you know, whatever. They may put that stuff also in their carry-on backpack. I don't do that. I typically get on, some people get on like at 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't do that. First of all, I don't have that status. But second of all, I usually try to get on right at lunch. So even if I have that status, I still believe I would get on closer to like noon. And then your rooms are open about 1:30 typically. So I really don't need to have anything else in there. And I don't really get in the pool right away, and I just don't. So I know what I need to have in here, and this works for me. So as you can see, it's rather small, and I can actually put quite a bit of things in there. So that's basically how I put it all together. I base it on a color scheme sometimes, because you guys got to mix and match some of your stuff. So if I had a yellow pair of shorts, I may bring different types of tops. And I'm talking specifically the dress shorts. If I have a black pair of jeans, I may change out a couple shirts. It just really depends. Oh, it all depends. It's not always the same sometimes. But this is pretty much how I put it together based on how long the cruise is. Now, 7 days, this is kind of what I'm going to bring. More than 7 days, this is still what I'm going to bring. because I can always wash clothes. I'm not going to bring more than that. So I have about 7 pairs of underwear. I bring the bra I have on and the bra in the back, in the thing. And usually if I have to have something that's cut off, I only have maybe 1 or 2 tops or dresses that go off the shoulder. And I just have, I'm just going to wear a bra that has like straps where I can remove them. I'm not going to go all crazy. I actually have a bathing suit that actually also would work for stuff like that too. So think of things like that and how you can, you know, not have to pack all these additional stuff. So think like that. Let's see. What else? I think that's it. I think that's it. For me, I think that's it. I know some people are going to go into a lot of just dresses and are very comfortable with that. Some people are like t-shirts and shorts for me, nothing else. But this is, I like to wear like little blouses and stuff. I'll also probably throw in like a little sweater like this, and that's about it. If I'm typically cold at night, it may not go in the suitcase, but I may bring like a sweatshirt, because I have been on a cruise and I ended up buying a sweatshirt. Then I was on another cruise and I bought another sweatshirt because I didn't bring them, because I was like, oh, it's going to be hot. Forget it. And so I ended up buying a sweatshirt. So I've learned my lesson. Bring a sweater. So I'll throw a sweater in. And that's pretty much the only additional thing that I'll bring. And if it's a bulky sweater, it may not even go in the suitcase. I may just like carry it. I may just like tie it to my backpack. So. Alright, if you have any questions on this and how I put it together, or if you have any tricks and how you can minimize even more, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, give it a little like, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and have a great day.